Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, working on this lovely gallery wrapped canvas. As I'm showing you there, I have put masking tape on the back to protect my bottom and some large push pins. Now today I am using house paint as my base coat. So this is not a normal for me, as you know, and it is part of how the Gilly art technique is performed. And I did do a beautifully caramelly one, which I've put the video up and was very popular, and they were saying how. So this is house paint. Look, I'm just sticking it all on there. I know that it needs a lot of paint. I've mixed these paints up. I've mixed these pigments up, should I say, and I'm literally just going along in the centre because I want to do a big beautiful swipe. Now, if you ask me what the colours were, I'm going to disappoint you because I have no idea. I mixed these pigments up quite a number of weeks ago, sort of all in the bluey lilac-y tones, plus some just sparkly ones, and that's pink one. So I can't actually say what each colour was. I'm sorry to disappoint, but it's true. That one was gold. I'm not sure, so I'm going to lay them all on there, and I'm sorry to disappoint that I can't explain the colours. But I'll try and do one where I actually mix the pigments and name colours to you. So I've layered all of those colours, probably too much. I always go overboard. What I'm squirting on there is Amsterdam Black with Floetrol, and I'm also going to put some on that lovely big spatula that I did get sent from Colour Art, and it's fabulous for this kind of swipe because this paint's a lot thicker to deal with. And my normal swipey tool, my soft plastic file divider, doesn't move the paint. So I'm just swiping away here with all those beautiful bright colours, and I'm really hoping this absolutely pops. So let's see, and fingers crossed if the magic happens. Just give it a whiz over with my heat gun to bring up some cells. I am doing the sort of swirly bits right through it because I don't want it all uniform. I want a really swirly whirly one all over the canvas. So I just hope that I haven't wrecked it too much. So just doing those swirlies, and then I will do the big tilt of the whole lot, which is what stretches the cells out into lovely shapes, and you can see all sorts in it when you do. But it's a very slow process because the house paint is so thick and plasticky that the stretching, the tilting takes a long time, but I will speed the video up. Super happy with this one. Oh my gosh, I did do some more squiggly lines through it. It was slow process tilting it, and it probably could do with a bit more tilting, but I don't want to lose some parts of it that I'm happy with, so I'm too worried about tilting it any further. But this one's more bright and cheerful and really out there. Just love the edges. Look at the edges on it. I'd come around the side. That's the side of the edges. So super happy with that one. I will definitely allow that to dry and be resining that one. That's on nice gallery wrap canvas, and I will absolutely sell that one. So there you go. I'll wait till it dries. I'll take some photos and if possible get to resin it before you actually see the whole video. So really hope you enjoyed that. Today it was fab process, a little bit slower than normal because the paint takes so long to stretch, but as you see, it's well worth it. Look at those super duper stretchy cells, super duper sheeny shiny. Just love it. Hope you do too. Take care, my lovelies. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. And if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. And a few people have said to me that they're not getting notifications from YouTube, even though they're subscribed and pressed the notifications bell. Not sure what's going on with YouTube of late. I think it's covering all the crazy news at the moment, but if not, unsubscribe and then resubscribe, and it should put you back on track. Thanks so much for watching me. Have a crazy art day. Bye for now.